Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, we are doing the complete album flip through for my 2025 December daily. I use the Spruce Citrus Twist 6x8 album. I put a ribbon on it. I have a patch from Hobby Lobby and then the Color Cast Design little book plate indicating December 2025. Inside, I started it off with a cut file on black glitter sticker paper that I did on my own, and it is attached with a clear little extra tab thing that I just took from packaging. The acrylic piece on top is also from Color Cast Design, and then the back side is metallic that I backed it with. I did a collage of like a photo, I think, per month, or maybe it was 2 per month. No, I think it was 1 per month, like my favorite photo. So that's how I opened up my December daily. Story 1 was just kind of like a currently page, everything that we were going through at that time, and it's just a full page. Outside the page protector, I did this a lot, which was 7 by 8.25. This is Color Cast Designs, and the collection I am using is Simple Stories all wrapped up. That's the collection. This one is one of the title pieces, and then there is a photo here and journaling on the back. And basically it's the Deck the Halls, the decorating story, and this is what my tree looked like this year. It was on the opposite side of our living room. At the time of December daily starting, if you have been with me, my husband was in a car accident. He was handicapped for 2 months. He was in the hospital for a month, handicapped for 2 months, so our downstairs looked completely different. So having it on the opposite corner is what the journaling is all about. Does give way to the kind of year that we were having. Story 3, it's a flip up. It's a poem that I heard on an Instagram reel. I forgot the young lady's name. I follow her, and this one at the time, around December 3rd, just spoke to me so well. So I just made it with a collage and a flip up, and then these chipboard little tile 3s. These are from Mistletoe and Memories from 49 and Market. Story 4, I just did the lyrics to the 2 songs that were on repeat in my house from the Descendant movies and the zombie movies. If your child's a Disney kid, you know these movies. And then again, the Color Cast Design numbers were for these. Story 5 was all about the new ornaments, and the rest of the paper collection is always all wrapped up from Simple Stories. Story 6, the little 2-page little moment. We have this flip out here. We went to the Home Depot free workshop on the 6th. It actually was on the 6th, so this was Saturday. And then I just did a kind of a highlight reel, highlight photos in 2x2s of the different projects she made. So I chose 6 from the year that were there. And then this is also all wrapped up, and that was the chipboard element. Story 7, we went to see we saw Santa Claus. So this photo was from like the kiosk at the mall, which was able to get the banner. Then I made this whole little collage moment. There's some stickles on that Santa beard, and the acetate is from an older Allie Edwards collection. Foam thicker, that's all from the collection, and then the wood veneers from Color Cast Design. This one is a flip out, so the journaling goes inside, and then we had went shopping at Sephora, and I made it a sequin pocket over here, talking to Santa, and then these 2 big elves were on stilts there. Story 8 is all about Grinch Day at school, so we have the opposite side of the glitter page. Story 8, and all of this is all wrapped up. All of it's always all wrapped up. The star trim is from Amazon, actually, and this journal card, though, is from Allie Edwards. So we decorated her gingerbread house that evening. Always do. Some of these are definitely like, every year stories. Story 10 about, obviously, cookie baking, one of our favorite activities. We got to do it, I think, on a Saturday night. So that was fun. Again, all wrapped up is all the embellishments. Story 11, a Bah Humbug story. So I have 2 tags, and then the journaling's on the back. The 11 little tile piece there, that's also from the 49 and Market. And so I did the photo slice. That was a technique I showed in the Allie Edwards class last year. The Bah Humbug was cut out from a Sizzix Alpha. And so it's just a selfie. I was in like a fun holiday sweater. And the story... Okay, so if you're still following me, if you follow me on Instagram, definitely follow me there. I'm very personal on my stories there. So with the car accident, with everything changing, with the clinic, everything was so up in the air. And I went back to therapy in December. So it's really a story about like kind of going back to therapy because I was just highly overwhelmed, overstimulated, exhausted, tired, the whole shebit. And so this story was like kind of just whenever day it was in December that I started going back, and I was just reflecting on it. Story 12, actually I think happened on the 12th, was her holiday recital. So I have a little Dutch door going on here. So it flips up, flips down for more photos on both ends, and all about her holiday recital, which I always love. So we have that one. Story 13, my red cup love, and what my favorite drink to order at Starbucks was the gingerbread latte this year. Story 14, we went to see like a drive-through holiday light display. We've gone actually every year, so this was us going for this year, and it was just a selfie in our car. Story 15, I live in West Palm Beach, so we do a sandcastle Christmas tree. So this is Sandy, the Christmas tree. We had went on a Tuesday after school because we hadn't gone yet, and so I just have a little flip up here. And then this journaling card, though, is a former Ellie Edwards. I just used it for the story. And I constantly wear holiday attire all month long. Story 16, I just have a flip out here for some of the journaling. It's all about my love of our matching jammy collection for every year. So this is my collection. And granted, you would think my kids was just as big, but since every year she grows, I constantly buy a new one. So, like this was probably age 1, 2, 3, and that's how we get the collection. So despite me having the collection, Valentina only gets like the newest one. Story 17 is all about our elf. So I took one of the funniest ones where she made like a little panty garland across this like art piece that I have on the wall. This twinkle time is from ColorRush Design, and that chip is from the 49th and Market. And then this just sits in here. It's just like an insert, but Twinkle, our elf, did some elfies. And so I kept the photos after she had surprised Valentina about sleeping next to her. So it was just a funny one of the days. And then I kept the welcome note from her elf as well, and so that'll just kind of tuck in here. And then this one was this flip up to show some of the other little crazy moments of Twinkle. And then it's the 6x8 title piece on that side, so that's a whole interactive thing. And then I just kept this one tucked in there so that it would be all together. Then this was me boiling over in December, trying to keep it together. So I did different alphas, stamping. Mommy is feeling angry, anxious, overwhelmed, exhausted, empty, overstimulated, alone, sad, tired, unhappy, misunderstood, and disconnected. The 18 is an old Felicity Jane. This is still all wrapped up. And then this is also from 49th and Market. And then my journaling sits on 2 or 3, is it 3? 4x6 cards inside. So this is where all the journaling fits. Once again, if you follow me on my stories on Instagram, December and even currently, everything has just been very hard. And so, I've mentioned this, like, it's hard to take pictures of the fights and the argument and the tension that may be in your family or how you're feeling completely. So this was my best way. So we have permanent holiday lights. And so I took a picture outside one day of our house lit up in the orange and the reds and stuff. Oh, not the orange, the greens and the reds. And then it happened to be cloudy, so it was kind of perfect. And I did a lot of stamping. So that was my nod to acknowledging how hard the holiday season was for me this year. Story 19, all about holiday crafts. So I just have 3 pictures. We did plenty more, and I think I wrote about it more in my journaling. And then these alphas are a thicker alpha set from my stash. This was on vellum. All of this is simple stories, and it was simply because I had seen a reel or TikTok, and it was just this text over a picture of their sleeping child. And so it just says, what a privilege it is to have your bed taken up by a small human who thinks it's the safest place in the world to be. And then I just wrote about how I co-sleep with Valentina and that I'm not mad at it, because next year she may not want to co-sleep with me, so why not let her sleep? So it's just a bunch of little photos I take. I do take photos of her from time to time when she's sleeping next to me, and I like it. Story 21, we had her wellness visit. Her birthday's around Thanksgiving, and so I had not taken her yet. Like I said, I've had a very difficult December, and so we went, I think we might have gone that day, maybe the 22nd or something, whatever was the week leading up to Christmas was that. 22 is about her advent calendar. So there's a tag in here with some journaling. This is the packaging. She had done a Squishmallow little figurine box for every day. So I just took a picture when she had them all in her hand at the end. So really, Obviously, it was completed on the 24th, but it was for the story for the 22nd. I did a story for 23 all about my Santa mug collection / not just Santa mugs, but just shaped mugs. So you see I have a gingerbread, there's a tree, and there's an elf also, but all the rest are Santas. And it's just an icon that I look for. So I have a Santa tag with some of the journaling, and then this ho ho ho. And then they're both paper photo slices for these to tuck in there. And I love it. I truly get like one per year. This year it was this one. This one I actually painted at a ceramic workshop place with my daughter. So that's the newest one. Last year, I believe it was this guy was the new one. Actually, these two. But this one I got as I was gifted the elf. And then the other ones, you know, one per year. Whenever I find one, you know, like this one was Target one year. This is Target one year. This might have been Publix. I think this was Hobby Lobby. This was a thrift. This was a thrift. And I believe the tree I got lucky with at Aldi, if I recall. So yeah, I love my little Christmas mugs. 24, 2 stores. So this is like an insert. So we went to the Sandy Tree at night on Christmas Eve. And then before it, we went out to dinner to Olive Garden. And then I have another painful story under here. Christmas Eve was not a good day for me. And so that is acknowledging the bad day it was. And then this is all how I turned it around for me and my daughter. Then Christmas Day, Merry Christmas. So all of this is all wrapped up. This is Color Cast Design, and I did a big 25 cutout once again with my silhouette. And then it is our matching jammies photo. These are, and usually I like the ones from Old Navy. Old Navy usually has a set that I like. So these were like a white or maybe like a cream with just the outline of Santas and reindeers. And that one was the one that caught my eye the most. So that was us, Christmas morning. And then a picture of our tree with all of our magical gifts. And you can see all the different trims that I use, even lace and pom-pom. And this So Very Magical. This was Color Cast Designs as well, but this one was from last year. Then acknowledging Christmas morning and her wrapping up gifts. So I did a little photo collage underneath there. And then we went over to our family's house. This is the same collection, and then another photo collage there. And then I just finished off the story with the album with the photo of us when we first left our house to go to the family's party, right when we left. And then ho ho ho, this is a card from the collection. And then this is just a little something I wanted to put in here, something because it was from like a junk journal club box, and it did say Merry Christmas 2025. So I was like, if I don't throw it in here, I'm either gonna have to cover up the 2025 or whatever. So I was like, you know what, let me just throw it in there. And I could write something more, but I didn't. And then in this 6x8 page protector, I have all the Christmas cards that I received from friends and family in the mail. And that is everything. So majority is all wrapped up from Simple Stories. Everything came together lovely. The trims are pom-poms and lace, just from my collection. The star trim though is from Amazon. That was a recent purchase for this year. And as you can see, it came together quite nicely with one collection. I did not get the Ali Edwards kit this year to do it this style, and I do like it. I do like it. I did a collection of pocket pages and photo collages and full page photos. We had flip ups. We made it work, and I always like to finish. So that's what I'm proud of. I like all the trim. Oops, sorry for hitting the camera. I like all the different trims, and it's in one album. So that's also what I like. I always am a one album girl. I don't like to go into two. And then look how fun that is from that side. That's super fun. So this is the chatty version. Thank you so much for joining me. Give this video a thumbs up. And until next time, I will talk to you later. I will be posting after this one, just the one with music. So that way, those that don't want to hear where product is from or anything can do it in a quicker version. Okay, so thank you always for joining. Till next time, bye.